Hello! One of the proposals we got funded in Catalyst Fund 10 was to extend the Hydra node to support a model of extensibility that would provide deeper insight into the internals of the Hydra node. For example, you could use this streaming plugin architecture to write files out to Postgres instead of the on-disk file format that Hydra uses. Or you could write those transactions to a Kinesis stream. In our case, we're using that for Gummyworm to create these archives of Gummyworm files, a sequence of transactions that can be shipped off. More on that at Builderfest in late April. But to close out that project, I wanted to record a small demo, both of Hydra running with one of these plugins enabled, and the S3 specific plugin that we wrote. So here you can see my coworker starting up multiple different Hydra nodes, each of which is configured, or one of which is configured to write to S3 every time 100 Hydra events have passed. And so then we open up the terminal UI and just send a simple transaction. And normally this would persist to disk as the Hydra head was operating, but in addition here, it will write out to S3. So here we can see, if we refresh, there's a Hydra node that was written just a few short seconds ago, and we can download this and look at the contents. In this case, it's going to be very small. It's just the compressed contents of a single transaction. But you could imagine that if this was, several tens of thousands of transactions, that archive would be larger. And now the video is looped. So we have written a simple Unix pipe plugin, a Kinesis plugin, and an S3 plugin. We'll also be reaching out to partners within the ecosystem to build a plugin for their indexers. I think the kind of most probable one there is Scrolls. And so we're really excited to make this extensibility within Hydra to contribute that back to the Hydra node so that other people in the Cardano ecosystem who want to build on top of Hydra can customize it for their needs in a way more powerful and less intrusive way than was available before. And then as the Hydra node continues to evolve, there's that API, that surface area that remains unchanged. So you can, if you're maintaining a fork of the Hydra node like we are, you can continue to get benefits from continued improvements to the Hydra node without compromising what you need for what you're building on top of it. So we think this is really cool. We're really proud of it. We're really excited to share this with the broader Cardano community. Thanks.